All right, so the best alternative to TikTok, in my opinion, is not Red Note or Lemonade. I think it's Fanbase. Yeah, so this social media app is fairly new, came out 2023, and supposedly it is black owned. Now I just signed up for it, and I put up one video as you can see on the left side. Now, supposedly the TikTok ban is this Sunday, January 19th, and a lot of creators from TikTok are, pretty nervous because there's a lot of money in stake on this one. People lives, gonna change if the TikTok ban does go through. Even if it doesn't go through, and if it does go through, I think people should give Fanbase a chance. So this is a US based app. Let's see. So you can monetize your channel. You don't have to have a certain subscriber. You can monetize by subscription base from $2.99 to $99 a month. So you can make money right away. If you have a good, a good amount of fans. So when you check it out right now, so supposedly this is the next gen social media app. Let's see here. You can invest right now. I think, let me see how much per share. They had this per share in there. Well, let's just check it. Why Fanbase? Let's see here. Again, be you without limits. A place where you can truly be you. Fanbase removes the limitation of content suppression and shadow banning, which is always occurring on TikTok, especially if you're new to TikTok. You get shadow banned right away. It takes a while to build your audience, but this one, there's no such thing as suppression or shadow banning. Let's see. As of right now, I have over 835,000 users in 190 countries worldwide on iOS and Android. All right, anyways, let's just check out the app right now. As you can see, I already made my my profile. Samadville George. So I will be moving here if TikTok does get banned. I have 50K followers in TikTok. I will download all my TikTok videos from beginning to end. I think I have over 3,000 videos over there, and I will upload all of them over here. So again, I uploaded one already. See, as you can see, here's what it looks like. I guess supposedly this is the For You page. Very, very similar to TikTok. Even from the bottom, it's got a similar feature. As you can see, you got the search button right here. It's got the notification, and again from that notification, that revenue right here. So again, you don't have to have a certain amount of subscriber to get into the revenue. So you can start charging subscription to get paid. All right, so this is my main. So from here, this one feels like Instagram Reel right here. I mean Instagram, because it's got that where you have the option right here. So you got your Reel. I think this is right here where you can. Oh no, this is content has value. I think where you can. I think there's a part where you can show your YouTube videos from here. You just gotta link it up. I'm not sure. I haven't really messed with that one yet, but that's a pretty interesting feature. So, and I do have a YouTube channel with over 22K subscribers. So that would be good also if I start showing my YouTube videos in here. Again, let me see the top one. You can, let's see. That's where you can, okay. Oh, okay. So this one right here. So this is supposedly if you're just browsing your, again, very similar to TikTok. I think it's easier too, much easier. Let me see. Why there's no sound? I guess there's no sound. Oh, because I turned it off. Oh, it's on a mic. Duh. Our headset. All right. That's cool. Anyways, guys, if you guys want to check out Fanbase, it is available for the iOS and Android. Let's see what else they have. All right, so here's their main thing: ad-free experience. Unlike other social media, Fanbase offers an ad-free experience, so which is cool. I mean, that might change later on when if the app gets bigger and bigger. Content visibility and no suppression, which is what TikTok very common for. Freemium monetization model. So Fanbase allow users to have both free followers and paid subscribers in the same profile. This hybrid model gives the flexibility to offer free content while monetization. All right, so that's cool. Revenue sharing model. So the platform operates on a revenue sharing model, taking 20% of all revenue generated from App Store fees. That is pretty interesting. Empowering diverse content creators. Innovative features. So again, this is a fairly new app. Came out 2023, so it is getting better and better. Anyways, guys, again, thanks for watching. Hope this works out for you guys, and hopefully, I mean, we don't want TikTok to leave, so hopefully it doesn't get banned. If it doesn't get banned, I will use Fanbase. I like it. I think there's room for growth in here. But we'll see, guys. We'll see.